I'm not going to waste your time in this video, so let's talk about 10 different ways that you could be making money online as a photographer. The first, the most obvious, is YouTube. So let's just get that one out of the way. If you are a photographer and you haven't started a YouTube channel, you are missing out on a great income stream. As photographers, we really have to diversify our income streams because getting clients in the door is a struggle. But YouTube is always available and you could be making money in your sleep. That's because videos you post are always available online forever. So in the future, videos that you post today will still be bringing in income, will still be bringing in AdSense. And though YouTube has a lot of upfront time cost, there is really minimal barrier to entry. Any photographer can create a YouTube channel today and start making additional income to supplement your freelance career. So before we get into the other 9 things, let me introduce myself. My name is Krysta Miinch. I am a boudoir photographer in St. Louis, and my goal is to teach other photographers how to build and grow their business, and at the end of the day, make money to live our dream lives. So if that interests you, join our completely free community down below. I do business reviews and I chat with you guys and just like to share my experience and expertise to help you guys grow. So that'll all be linked down below. Now let's get into number 2. Number 2 is prints. So Etsy is a super easy online selling tool where you could be selling prints of your artwork. I've sold different things on Etsy through my creative life and career, and it is honestly one of the easiest platforms to use. So pictures that you've taken in the past, pictures that are just kind of sitting on your hard drive, you can put them up on Etsy. One of the great things about Etsy is they promote within their own website, so you don't necessarily have to do a lot of external promotion because it already exists within their website. So you could be selling prints, wall art, all types of different things of photos that you have already taken, and is a great way to make extra money with very little work. Now, this one is going to be similar but a little bit different, and that is t-shirts, our cups, our other products with your photos on them. So a lot of times we see like drawings or designs or different things on t-shirts and mugs, but you can also have your photos printed on there, or you can edit your photos in a way that make a cool design for a t-shirt or a mug or a notebook. And there are so many print on demand services. So again, you could put these up on Etsy, or you can start your own store with Shopify. And those are awesome ways that you could sell your photographs in different forms on different mediums on the internet. So let's go into our next one, which is presets. Now, presets, people have been selling presets forever. Now, I personally do not sell presets because I have one thing I shoot in studio and I have one way that I edit all of my photos. And maybe I should, maybe I'll put that preset down below. And if you are interested, you can buy it. I'll sell it for a couple dollars. But in general, I don't sell presets, but presets are so powerful and they're extremely useful, especially for people who are just getting into photography. Presets are a great way to, again, make money with something that you've probably already created. You probably have a list of presets that you have created that you use on all of your images, or that are a really good starting point for the images that you are already taking and editing. So bundling those up and selling those online is a great way to make extra income as a photographer. So let's go into the next one, which is stock photos. Now, stock photos are what people purchase to kind of fill out websites. They have to fit a certain vibe. So there are certain websites like Pexels where people can download stock images for free, and then the photographers have to be credited. But there are also stock photo images, stock photo websites where somebody like me would have to pay to use an image. And a lot of corporate and businesses purchase their image from stock websites because they don't necessarily need personalized branded images. They just need kind of generic images that fit their website, maybe for their HR, or maybe if a business is just starting up and they don't have any personal branded images yet, they can go online and they can purchase images that fit their vibe. So there are stock photos for literally everything, for backgrounds, for landscape, for portraits, for headshots, clothing. Like half the images you see on the internet are probably stock images. So people have made up to like $200,000 a year just selling stock images. So there is a lot of opportunity there. You just have to take advantage of it. So the next way that you can make money online as a photographer is to sell an ebook. Now you can sell an ebook about photography. You can sell an ebook about a certain camera, maybe a guide for a certain camera. Ebooks are just online digital books that are usually on the shorter side, but they solve a very specific problem. So if you're really good at landscape photography, you can sell an ebook that teaches people the fundamentals of landscape photography or any other type of photography. So you can put these ebooks on Amazon, you can put it on Etsy, like I mentioned before. There's a lot of places that you can sell these ebooks that don't even require you to have a social media. So next up, we have travel guides. There's two sides to a travel guide, right? So you can be somebody who creates travel guides and you sell them to individuals. So maybe you get access online to individuals. You visited a place, you took amazing photos, you took photos of where you went, the places that you stayed, and you can share those experiences in a travel guide that you sell to people that are interested in visiting that same location. Or vice versa, you can sell travel guides to the actual place that you are traveling to. So you went there, you went to, I don't know, a city, a very beautiful city or whatever. You can sell your travel guide to that city and they can use that as advertisement to get people to come visit their city for tourists. So there's really a lot of opportunity there, and you can just make these travel guides online. You can reach out to people. You can start an Instagram. There's just a lot of opportunity in sharing where to go, and you don't really even have to be a travel influencer because you can share more detailed information in your guides than just somebody who, say, posts an Instagram post. Next up, we have courses. Now, if you are a photographer and you have knowledge that you would like to share literally about anything photography related, you can pre-record a course, create worksheets for it, and then sell it online. This is very, very common. So say you're the same landscape photographer that put out the ebook, that can just be the beginning. And then in your course, you can offer more detail, you can dive in deeper, you can create workbooks and worksheets and really give people the in-depth knowledge that they need. That's too much for a book and would sit really well in a course. And I want to follow this up with the next one, which is number 9, workshops. So you can also host online workshops. So the difference between the course and the workshop is that the workshop would actually be live. So you are interacting with your students live, teaching them something online in a live format. We've all learned how to use Zoom, etc. over the past couple years, or even live here on YouTube. But you can do a live workshop, and these usually work best if you are teaching a very specific skill. So if you want to do a live workshop about taking headshots in studio for business people, right? A very specific skill that you could teach in an hour or two in an online workshop. But one of the very powerful things about a workshop is that you get immediate interaction with the person teaching the workshop, and you as the creator, as the photographer, can answer questions and provide a lot of value in real time. This is a very powerful tool to not only give value but also make really good money because you can charge a premium for things like that. And number 10, we have affiliate marketing. So basically, affiliate marketing is when somebody clicks on a link and purchases something, you receive a commission. So the links I have below this video, some of them are affiliates. I know a couple of you signed up for Pixie Set. That is my client gallery, but it also has the mobile apps that people really love. So because a few people have signed up for that, I get paid a percentage of that, or I get paid $10 or $20. I don't remember. I get paid some amount because you guys took my suggestion and you went and signed up for a product. So that is basically the company saying, hey, thanks for the work you did for promoting our product. Here is a kickback. And the thing about affiliate links is that it doesn't actually cost the people that are using them extra. So the people that signed up for a Pixie Set through my link, they're not paying anything additional. The company is taking that out of their profit and giving that to me as a thank you, as basically this is what we owe you for the work that you did. So you can do that for all different types of things. For you have Amazon affiliates, you can, if you have like courses, like photography courses that you've really loved, they might have an affiliate. So when you share those with other people, you get that kickback. Affiliates are a good way to get additional income that you can add on top of the other things that you're doing, especially if you're doing YouTube, or if you're doing a workshop, or if you're selling a course. Those are great places to also put in affiliate links to create additional online income for yourself as a photographer. So that is all I have for you guys today. If you liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you are planning on trying any of these this year in 2024 to create another stream of income for yourself as a creative, as a photographer, let us know in the comments down below. Subscribe to this channel. Don't remember if I already said that, but yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.